4 years ago, Doug Wirtz, who is the director of the farm of Akron Cooperative Farm, came to Akron Public Schools and wanted to partner with Akron Public Schools. They came to me and asked if I wanted to be involved with it, and I said yes. And then this year we expanded again with the help of Home Depot and First Serve, and it's just a wonderful program. 2 years ago is when APS got fully involved with it, and we turned it into a summer club, the gardening and horticultural club. We had 27 students sign up, and we have 17 active students in the program currently. It's a wonderful program. They learn about gardening, they learn about all types of horticulture, they get to experiment, they test soil. And then today we are having our family day, which we do this every year, where we bring in produce from Northeastern Ohio farms for all of the families. They typically go home with over a bushel of produce per family. 50% of it is donated, and the other 50% I purchase at a discount.
It makes me really happy because some of the stuff was it was an experiment. We didn't know if it would grow how it is now. So it made me really happy when we finally seen our first cucumber coming in, or the squash, or the sunflowers. They were really small one day, then the next day they were up here.
The students who are in this particular club are here because they want to learn, and they're excited, they're open. These students in particular are here because they want to learn more, and are very inquisitive, ask a lot of questions, and so they have a general desire to want to learn, and they've been a lot of fun.
Mr. Chris says that everything tastes good on a salad. So he'd probably say this tastes good on a salad, but I heard it tastes like licorice. I've never had it before, but it looks really good. It's called fennel.
The kind of student that shows an interest in this are students who are looking for something other than an electronic pastime. They're looking to step outside of the box that we now are in and doing something that is more organic. Potatoes, we broke them up into bags. There's one bag per family. Tomatoes, these big perfect round ones, one per family. And one of the things that we see with kids here is what you typically see in a classroom is a kid who just kind of sits there and doesn't want to talk or interact. And suddenly they're here in this open, free, we have rules, but we have a pretty trusting environment, and they open up to each other and to all of us. And it's just, that's the kid who is looking outside of the box. This is my passion. I love watching the families get the produce. I love watching the kids grow and learn. It is such a freeing experience for them, and it's just an intrinsic reward of them living.